Hello everyone, so if you wanna transfer photos or videos to USB flash drive from your Samsung Galaxy S21, you'll need a USB-C to USB-A adapter. So basically, this is your adapter or any kind of other adapters which will fit directly to your phone, right? I need a USB-C one, so let's connect it. Now let's give our phone a few minutes to detect it. Now let's go to the settings and scroll down to our accounts and backup. Tap here and choose external storage transfer. Tap here. Now you will be prompted to choose where do you want to back up your data, for example, USB storage. Now here you can choose everything, just calls, contacts and messages, or custom. Let's press custom, let's press next. Now here we can choose what do we need to transfer. For example, we need to transfer our images and videos. So choose the one which you like, press backup, as don't show again, and wait until your phone will finish picking up your data. Let's do this. Alright, now we've got backed up our photos and videos to our USB memory drive. Let's press next, press done, and don't forget to unmount your device before taking it off. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.